Okay. Give it a hug. Well, that went on too, didn't it?
Where's the moth?
No.
Moth.
Can you give the tree a hug? Give it a hug. Squeeze so it's
Nice.
and you give it a kiss.
What? Who's kissing trees?
That's a little moth on it.
I've heard of tree huggers, but you're a tree kisser.
Yeah. We look at the branches and all the leaves. Is that going to be a good climbing tree? Mm-hmm. Give it another hug. Big hug. Oh. And a kiss. Silly. Let me help you out of there.
As the drool comes running down.